So guys, today I'll show you how you can get Plutora. So go to the link in the description and then go to exploits. Go scroll until you see Plutora. Click on the download button. Now click on download Plutora. Now this shit. Click on save. Now Control J. Now click on this and then click on download the JS file. But first, make sure your antivirus is turned off. Now you can click on the folder icon. Click on this exit button but button. Now double tap on the Plutora and then drag the actual folder. Now delete the zip file. Open Plutora. Open Plutora. Now we have Plutora. What is this thing here? Man, I don't know. Editor, team. There's no teams yet, but meh. Alright, so now let's open up Roblox. Roblox. Alright, now let's go to any game. I'm gonna go to Brookhaven. Now let's open up Plutora. Hello, Plutora. So now in a game, open up Plutora, click on this button. Now something might open, and then boom. We are Devs API. Now open up F9, or you can just type in chat / console. You can just do that. Good executor. Using we are devs API. Execute. As you can see, it does work. Let's do one. Sugma. Yes, Sugma. Sugma boy. So yeah, it does work. Yeah, it works. So now let's do CNC test. Let's go here and then let's click here. CNC test. But there is a foggy UNC. Wait, let's test foggy UNC. So yeah, the foggy UNC actually uh shows the true UNC. Um, so yeah, we can expose executors using this. I may copy this and then pin it so that we can test executors. So yeah, it does have 37 real UNC, but if you want to use the fake UNC, it's gonna have only 80 or more UNC. Yeah. So yeah, it's gonna be it. Bye bye.